Hello everyone, and welcome to a world where beauty knows no boundaries. Today, we delve into the captivating story of Victoria Matosa, a trailblazing figure redefining the norms of beauty in the fashion industry. In the dazzling world of fashion, emerges a figure who challenges conventional beauty standards, Victoria Matosa. With a presence exuding confidence and elegance, Victoria has become an icon of diverse beauty and body acceptance in the plus-size modeling industry. Her charm lies in the celebration of her curves, reflecting a beautiful confidence that inspires thousands on social media. With a captivating presence on platforms like Instagram, she has used her platform to promote self-acceptance and body positivity, encouraging her followers to embrace their unique beauty. Victoria has conquered the fashion scene with her unmistakable style and message of empowerment. Her achievements in plus-size modeling have defied industry stereotypes, paving the way for greater inclusion and representation in fashion. As we celebrate Victoria's journey and impact, she stands as a beacon of empowerment and body acceptance, reminding us that beauty knows no bounds. Her legacy resonates not just in the world of modeling, but in the hearts of those inspired by her remarkable authenticity and resilience. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories like Victoria's. Remember, your uniqueness is your strength. Until next time.